Hello and welcome to Maths Area. So the area of a shape can be found by counting squares on a grid. Count half squares for shapes with straight lines. For irregular shapes, count the squares that are covered more than half. So this is a regular shape because you've got straight lines. This is an irregular shape because there are no straight lines here. So in this particular shape, let's count the squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we have here 10 and a half, 11, 11 and a half, 12, and that's why we get an area of 12 squares. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and also we can say 17 and a half, and we've got like a half here, 18. So roughly speaking, this will be 18 squares. So you can count the half squares as well, and if there's any quarters, then you can count them together, and that's how we get 18 squares. Okay, so that's how you work out the questions for these particular questions. However, if you have a shape, say for example, let's just make a rough shape here of like a square, and you've got 3 centimeters as the height and 4 centimeters is the width. To work out this area, we just multiply 3 times 4 together and the width times height, and that gives us 12 centimeters square as our answer. And we put that small 2 on the top right hand side because that small 2 on the top right hand side shows us that we have multiplied 2 different numbers together, and the area of this particular shape is going to be 12 centimeters squared. And the formula to work out area is quite simple. So you just do the width times by the height, or the width times by the length. Okay, so it's always like the vertical measurement multiplied by the horizontal measurement if they're regular shapes. There you go. So if you didn't know this before, write this down. How to work out area is width times length. But for this particular exercise, you're going to be counting up the squares to provide the area itself. Thank you.